This 2019 Dynamax Corp Isata 324FW is a Class C RV. It is located in Prescott, Arizona, 86301 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Prescott. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This Used Dynamax Corp is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 3, Slideout, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features rear bath. This 2019 Dynamax Corp Isata 324FW is built on a Mercedes Benz Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.